Hello, welcome to my channel, Bright Mathematical Solutions. Today we are looking at exercise tests 2G of our series to quantitative reasoning. And we have this example and then we have the exercise that follows. Now, this is a triangle and this is 5, this is 20, this is 10. So the first thing is to understand the operation that determines the numbers that are in this triangle. Now, this is 5. So what is the operation? Look at this triangle. This is 1. This is triangle naturally has 3 sides. 3, 1, 2, 3. I mean the edges. Now, this drawing that is in between has a role to play in determining what happens in the operation that happens here. This is another point, another point, another point. So if you count it all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this operation is defined by this 6. It's very, very important. So 5 multiplied by 6, that gives us 30. So addition of these two will give us this 30. So let us see whether what we did for this, whether it works for this. 3 multiplied by 6, that is 18. 4 plus 14 gives us 18. Let's try for the last one. 6 multiplied by 11, that gives us 66. 48 plus 18 gives us 66. So that is the operation that radiates within this example. So now let us take that knowledge into the exercise and let us solve. Now the first one, we have 15 here. So let us say 6 multiplied by 15, and that gives us 90. And we know that when we had the 2 that is here, that is what will give us 90. So that will now say 90 minus 51, and that gives us 39. So our answer is D, 89. So let us look at the second one. 9 multiplied by 6, that gives us 54. To get this unknown, we need to subtract this from 54. So 54 minus 21, so that gives us 33. So our answer is B, 33. So the next one, we know that the addition of these two, and we divide it by 6, it is what will give us whatever is missing here. So 60 plus 60, that gives us 120. 120 divided by 6. Remember, we are multiplying this numerator by 6. So to arrive back at this, we have to divide. So 120 divided by 6, so that gives us 20, and that is E. So our answer is 20. So for this one, we have 18 plus 30, and that gives us 48. 48 divided by 6, so this gives us 8. So our answer is C, 8. And for the last, so this is 12. 12 multiplied by 6, that gives us 72. 72 minus 38, and that gives us 34. So our answer is B. So that is that about that. So please, if you have any question, comments, please feel free to put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. Till I see you next time, please be good and remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.